It's good right here at Ravenel Ford in Ravenel, South Carolina. We're taking a look at a 2013 Ford F-150 FX2. This one's blacked out, folks, so if you're looking for a truck that's got the blacked out front grille, the headlight housing, and the smoked out gunmetal wheels, this is it for you right here, folks. Ford Tough. Been top selling F-Series trucks out there for over 36 years. That's huge, folks. This is a four-door truck. Beautiful vehicle. You also notice the metallics in the paint, which gives it a really beautiful shine on a nice summer day like today in South Carolina. The FX2 has a set of 20-inch alloy wheels with the Bridgestone Dueler tires. We're talking about tough tires there, folks. Also, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety is giving this truck good ratings. When you see stars, that's always a good thing. You can go to IHS.com for more information. This truck with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost that gets 22 and 16 on the fuel economy. Total MSRP is $47,250. I'm about to break it down right now, though, for you folks, so you can see exactly what the price is at Ravenel Ford. So there it is. Market retail, $47,250. We sell them for $98 over invoice, $43,404. Less the current rebate of $2,500, that incentive money there, that puts you at $40,904. If you finance a Ford Motor Credit, you save another $1,000. Let's go ahead and move right over to number 4 on this list here. No closing or dock fees. We're not charging those fees to you, folks. Such items are used to mislead customers, giving more markup to selling dealer. Beware. If you're in the Charleston area, folks, in the Tri-County, and you're looking at Ford trucks, you need to stop by Ravenel Ford because you're about to get oversold at another dealership, folks, and pay more money. You can buy it for a lot less out here. FX2 Sport, good looking truck. Backup sensors, also has a backup camera in the back. And let's not forget that beautiful chrome tip for the exhaust. Does have a back window that does what? It opens and closes, and you can throw a puppy dog a bone. Also, spray and bed liner looking really good here for you. Beautiful truck. I mean, I get so excited when I start talking about the F-150 truck. This keyless entry system, remote start, hit that twice, cranks the little puppy right on up. Leather interior, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, Sony stereo system, power seats, excuse me, power seats, power lumbar support, and memory seats. Yes, you can get all those features on a truck. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Man, this thing is nice. It's got all your audio and cruise control features right there on the steering wheel at a fingertip touch. Cup holders, a place to write a check to buy the truck, and a big navigation screen there for you folks as well. If you don't have nav, it can still come with a screen inside the vehicle. Also, Microsoft Sync for all you Xbox 360 players out there. Microsoft's hooking it up inside the Ford. Let's take a look. You got dual sunglass holders and a home link right there for you as well. Plenty of room in the back for back passengers. Again, it's a four-door truck, so lots of room. Come on down to Ravenel Ford, save you some money, and buy the truck that you've been dreaming about. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.